Hello everybody. First of all, congratulations to each one of you on our being number one this year. And in fact, consistently being the number one life insurance company in the private sector. The reason we are number one and indeed have remained number one since inception is because we have been dynamic in our strategy, which has evolved with changing time. And more importantly, the entire team has executed our plans passionately and diligently. During FY14, we continued to make steady progress on the strategic path of market leadership, cost efficiency, while ensuring business quality. However, now we are in FY15. The time has come to change gears decisively to get onto a new growth trajectory. And leading this change will be the agency channel. Agency, after being the flagship channel of insurance for years together, has actually been underperforming in the recent past. At ICICI Pru, we want agency to be the most relevant channel again, for which the simple aim is to more than double itself in the next 2 to 3 years, while reducing cost to AP ratio by half. Effectively, it means increasing business 4 times. Do you think this is possible by us working 4 times harder? Or do we need a new solution altogether? I strongly feel we need to change gears completely and opt for a new strategic solution. As you all know, ICICI Pru has always been a pioneer in a lot of things. And the time has come once again to launch a new way to run agency. Over the last 5-6 months, we have worked hard. We have looked at a number of examples across various industries, both in India and abroad. We have spoken to many of you, we've spoken to many advisors, and have used the learning gathered from all of you as well as abroad to co-create the blueprint of what we are calling Agency 2.0. Insurance is changing and so is agency. Agency 2.0 is an innovative way of managing the agency channel. The aim is to grow the agency channel profitably, supported by a strong performance culture. Everyone is a hunter in Agency 2.0 and will be equally responsible to get business. At the same time, we want to ensure that each manager is motivated and will be offered unrestricted career opportunities to grow in the organization. So what is so different that we will see in Agency 2.0? In the past, we have been using a one-size-fits-all approach for our advisors. However, there are different types of advisors and each has unique needs, wants, desires. So Agency 2.0 segments advisors based on a combination of factors: customer segment, commitment level, consistency, persistency, and production, of course, unlike the current GP tier that only segments advisors based on production. Advisors and managers are segmented across 3 distinct platforms: Win, Lead, and Grow. Each platform is very different from the other based on what advisors need and what they get and the role the manager has to play. A manager is mapped to the platform where we believe he can excel best. This was a long, detailed, well thought through exercise. At the same time, I want to stress that every platform is equal in terms of career opportunities for each type of manager, and indeed our aspirations for growth from every platform are the same. ICICI Pru, of course, will continue to be a performance-driven organization. And in fact, Agency 2.0 aims to offer better career growth opportunities for everybody going ahead in line with our performance-driven culture. We also need to ensure that there is meritocracy and individual goals are aligned with organizational goals. Accordingly, we will create a seamless performance evaluation and compensation structure, which will give each one of you, everybody, the opportunity to grow and contribute to individual as well as organization's success. I must mention here that the entire management is fully committed to build this change, and there will be a number of interventions, regional events, platform-specific training camps, advisor reach-out programs in the days to come that all of you will participate in. In fact, we need your active support to make this happen in the ground. You have to lead this change. All the best. Thank you.